Hey sweet friends, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Sel. Today's video is all new fridge restock plus pantry organization. We just did our grocery shopping from Walmart and Sam's Club, and I'll be showing you how I put away everything that we got, cleaning and organizing the kitchen. I hope you enjoy this video and find it helpful with all of the restocking and kitchen organization ideas. Let's clean together and organize with me. Let's do this, friends. I feel like when we do our grocery shopping, we tend to pretty much pick up the same thing over and over. We would try a few things here and there, but pretty much the same thing. So we refilled on the meat because we are out of a lot of them. We have like all the beef here. We have steak, like a few different kinds. We have some stew here. My husband loves stew. If you want to see my stew recipe, let me know in the comments down below. It's so good, you guys. We have some chicken here and pork, and we also pick up salmon because we are out of that. We have some breads here, dairy items, pantry items, some chips. So that's pretty much everything that we got. I'm not gonna go on every single item because in the past I did like grocery haul over and over, and I feel like I'm saying and showing a lot of the same thing pretty much all the time, and I feel like I'm getting repeatable. Let me know if you're not getting tired of that, and I would do that again, but I just kind of feel like I'm getting repeatable. So like I said at the beginning, I'm going to show you how I put everything away. I know I do this like often too, but at least this one is like it gives you motivation, hopefully. So that's what I'm going to be doing here, and it's not going to be a lot of talking in this video, you guys, but I hope you still enjoy this, and so was the music.
Felt I'm done with the defense. Drove back and climbed over your fence. Had to show you that I was a mess. So you were shrugging your shoulders and closed off. That's what I told you. Soon enough, everything started to change. 'Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights. Riding on the dizzying heights. Felt like nothing could stop us. Sunsets, remember the colors. They were wrong, it was way more than a dream. We climbed up, yeah, over the hillside. So right, we stood there all wide-eyed. You and I floated on air in my mind. 'Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights. I'm standing on the dizzying heights. You make everything so much better. Riding high on your river, you and I, we're climbing way up together, standing on dizzying heights. You make everything so much better. Riding high on your river, you and I, we're climbing way up together.
If you are new here, hello and welcome. I am so happy you're here, my friend. My name is Sel. I am a wife and a full-time working mommy of one sweet boy. If you like and enjoy restocking plus home organization videos like this, as well as cleaning motivation and seasonal home decorating, I upload these kind of contents every Friday, so be sure to subscribe and don't forget to turn your notification bell on so you won't miss any of my future uploads. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for hanging out with me again in this video. Before I get comments as to why we have a lot of eggs here, we usually pick up the 60 count every month, and they do last us for the whole month, you guys. We use them every day for like breakfast, for food recipe, and I also always make sure that we have hard-boiled eggs in our fridge because my son always asks for it, and he usually eat like 2 at a time when he asks for it. So I always make sure I cook like 10 to 12 every week, and he usually finish them, so that's why we have a lot of that in here. I also like to make egg salad from time to time and like use it for sandwich to take to work, and so was my husband. So that's why we have a lot of eggs here. We love them and we eat them pretty much a lot of times, so there's that. And something I wanted to share you, when I cook hard-boiled eggs, I do not peel it when I put it in the fridge or when I store it. I just like directly put it in a bowl and then put it in the fridge, so when my son wants some, he could just like grab it and eat it. He eats like hard-boiled eggs cold. I really don't like hard-boiled eggs cold, so I kind of like, when I want it hot, I kind of like just soak it in hot water for like a few minutes, and it does get hot, and it's good that there's still shells so that hard-boiled eggs doesn't like get watery. I don't really like that. So something I wanted to share you, in case you find your hard-boiled eggs don't last long, try not peeling it and then store it in your fridge, and just like, you know, peel it when you're about to eat it.
There's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. No living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights. Oh, I'm standing on the dizzying heights. Oh, I'm standing on the dizzying heights. Oh, I'm standing on the dizzying heights. Standing on the dizzying heights. Everything's so much better. Riding high on your river, you and I, we're coming way together. Standing on dizzying heights. Everything's so much better. Riding high on your river, you and I, we're coming way together. Standing on the dizzying heights. I get so caught up in the middle, thinking of drowning in those blue eyes. I'm losing sight 'cause I am falling. I'm so deep down, and it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes, and you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, yeah, I can carry all that you've got. Two heavy hearts is not a lot. I will put out all of the fire. We stumble and fall, and it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes, and you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I am running for you. I am running for you. I am running for you. If it gets too right.
I'm holding on, if almost gone. Someday I know I'll finally make it through the gates. Just have to wait. You whisper to me, there's no maybe. There's only time for dreams even greater. I hear the call, and I close my eyes to see even clearer. I see it all. I know that we can go higher if we keep our faith, if we keep our faith. Sometimes I'm like a whisper in a riot, but I grow stronger, keep believing in me. Say you're believing in me. You're believing in me. Say you're believing in me. You're believing in me.
Usually when I'm restocking or putting away everything, I do the frozen items first, but this time I did the fridge first. So after that, we're moving on here with the meats that I'm going to be putting in our chest freezer. I'm going to transfer some of the meats from the original packaging to the Ziploc bags because it's a lot easier to store them in the freezer. And then some of the bulk meat, I'm going to portion them because it's a lot, so that when I have to defrost them and use them for the day, I'm only going to defrost the ones that we actually need for that same day. Like the chicken, it's a lot of them, so I did portion that in half. And so as the ground beef, we got the 5-pounder one, so I literally cut it in half and portion it to 2. So it's like 2.5 pounds of each ground beef. And then as for the steak, I put like 2 steak in each Ziploc bag because like I said, it's a lot easier for us to defrost this and store this away this way.
Holding tight through every fight, 'cause sometimes I can see through the echo of every day, always the same, until you take a step and let go. You told me that the shade's turning brighter, I don't know how. You showed me every heart is a fighter, time is now. I know that we can go higher if we keep our faith, if we keep our faith. Sometimes I'm like a whisper in a riot, but I grow stronger, keep believing in me. Say you're believing in me. You're believing in me. Say you're believing in me. You're believing in me. Say you're believing in me. You're believing in me. Say you're believing in me. You're believing in me. There's only time for dreams even greater. I hear the call, and I close my eyes to see even clearer. I see it all. Say you're believing in me. You're believing in me. Say you're believing in me. You're believing in me. Say you're believing in me. You're believing in me. Say you're believing in me. You're believing in me.
Oh no, I gave my heart away. Went a bit too far, so wrong. Oh no, open up my soul, but babe, how could I know you're cold? Shame on you, should have seen what you were like. Dangerously nice. You got me all lost, so blind. It's 2 a.m. and I can't fall asleep, 'cause I'm not tired. I'm thinking about the days we used to shine when we were young. I told you that we should start a band and reach for the sky. It's 2 a.m. and I can't fall asleep, I'm just not tired. I can hear the raindrops falling. It's cold outside and I kind of feel like calling, but it's too late now. I just miss you.
Every time I'm restocking the freezer or we like just did our grocery shopping, I always make sure that I rotate the food here and make sure that the new ones goes on the bottom. So if there's any like same meat that we got fresh, I always make sure the fresh ones goes on the bottom and then the old ones goes on top to avoid like freezer burnt and wasting food. So that's what I'm doing here. And also the way I organize this chest freezer, I divided them in these baskets that I got from Walmart. I couldn't find the link for this because I couldn't find them online, so I'm sorry. I did got them in store, but I get a lot of questions where I got this. I got this from Walmart and I believe this is the medium size because they have like 3 sizes. They have like small ones and then these ones, and then there's some that are like even bigger than this, but this is the ones that fits here in the fridge, and I mean in the freezer. I think this freezer is like 6 cube. I don't really know, even my husband don't know. I asked him because I do get like questions what's the size of this fridge. I'm not really sure, but I think it's like 6 cubic something, I'm not sure. So I can fit like 4 baskets in here, 2 stock on each side, and then at the very end I could not fit in another basket, so I just like put whatever fits there. On the very bottom basket on the right side I have like all of the chicken. The second basket on the left I have all of our beef and pork, and then on top of that we have potatoes and fries because we like a lot of those, so we have like a basket whole dedicated for that. And then for the top of the chicken, the basket that goes there are all seafood such as fish and shrimp and whatever seafood we get.
I just miss you.
You guys, I'm also making dinner in between while I'm restocking the fridge and pantry and cleaning the kitchen because #momlife. I'm cooking sinigang. It's a Filipino recipe. It's like a sour soup and I use beef chuck roast and a lot of veggies and soup in it.
We were such a constellation, right? No, you'd agree. Made a reputation for ourselves at age 18. We had the devil on our shoulders telling us what we should do.
We have another fridge here in our backyard, and this is where we store all of our beverage on the bottom side, and then on the freezer side we have whatever overflow that I don't like to put in the chest freezer, like those breakfast bowls since they take up a lot of space. And then this is where we store all of our barbecue items such as burgers and hot dogs. This is also where I put the steak.
If you think about me too, I can hear the raindrops falling. It's cold outside and I kind of feel like calling, but it's too late now. I just miss you. I just miss you. Oh, I miss you. Oh, I miss you. It's 2 a.m. and I can't fall asleep, I'm just not tired. I can hear the raindrops falling. It's cold outside and I kind of feel like calling, but it's too late now. I just miss you. I just miss you. Miss you. Miss
After having that good dinner, I'm now moving on to the pantry. So after all of the cold items, the pantry items are the last thing I do because the temperatures of the items here are not sensitive. So I'm basically just like refilling some baskets that are empty here if the items that I have belongs there, and then any canister that are empty and I have some item to put there, I just refill those. And also at the same time, I'm checking like expiration dates if there's any expired items here.
Wanna be free of this heart, yeah. Wanna feel your arms around me. I need you more, need you here, more than I would like to admit. Let's forget about tomorrow, yeah. Should I hide away forever? Should I close my eyes and never again hold you tight, call you mine, think about you every time? I remember that it's over, yeah. You never break, you never lie, you never ever scared of the dark. So why am I the one who cries? I'm so afraid to be left behind. I think about you a lot, it's almost like I can't stop, can't stop. Yeah, yeah. You never lose an argument, so I've been trying hard to pretend that I'm okay. It's just a phase, and everything is going just great. I think about you a lot, it's almost like I can't stop, can't stop. Yeah, yeah. I always knew that this would happen, yeah. You would find a new distraction. I need you more, need you here, more than I would like to admit. Can we let go of tomorrow? Yeah. You never break, you never lie, you never ever scared of the dark. So why am I the one who cries? I'm so afraid to be left behind. I think about you a lot, it's almost like I can't stop, can't stop. Yeah, yeah. You never lose an argument, so I've been trying hard to pretend that I'm okay. It's just a phase, and everything is going just great. I think about you a lot, it's almost like I can't stop, can't stop. Yeah, yeah.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby, I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undenying, undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lacking everlasting ego. I guess it never hit you, our conversation baby, I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undenying, undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lacking everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes with his humble lacking everlasting ego. Someone hurt your feelings not that long ago, and every bit of you couldn't face the truth that maybe you're just not that nice and humble kind. That would be a lie. Go on, blow up your ego, your undenying, undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lacking everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes with his humble lacking everlasting ego. Gonna stay in this moment, gonna lay here on the grass. I don't need to feel lonely, I am finally home at last. And I don't mind being gone on adventures for a while. No, no. 'Cause the best thing about it is I know I'm coming back. Oh, oh. Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true no matter where.
I hope you find this video motivating and helpful, my friends. I hope I inspire you to get up and tackle your own mess at home or your to-do list of house chore, as well as gave you an idea on how to organize your own fridge and pantry. And if I did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. It does help support my channel and lets me know you want more videos like this. Comment down below and share this to a friend to inspire them as well. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to turn your notification bell on so you wouldn't miss any of my future uploads. Thank you all so much for watching and spending time with me today. I truly appreciate every single one of you, and I will talk to you all again on my next video. Bye!